provides illumination for visibility and convenience. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. Fits: 2008 to 2015 Cadillac CTS, 2008 to 2012 Buick Enclave, 2007 to 2012 GMC Acadia, 2007 to 2010 Saturn Outlook. ACDelco 15,782,705 GM Original Equipment Amber Multi-Purpose Light Bulb. Top reviews from the United States. Work as expected. I realize it is not a surprise that they work as expected. The issue is I tried 2 sets of LEDs for '09 Cad CTS4 and they hyperflashed, back to stock and happy.